show you something. What are these? Can you make out? These are the unripe ones, and there is the ripe one. These are plum. So it's not ready yet, but I will make them ready. These are tomatoes, but I want them in green. These are unripe, but I will make some chutney. Green tomato chutney. They are very tasty. It's a mixture of rohu, some carp, some katla, and tilapias, and a little bit of koi, but koi fish, the climbing perch is not, we can't see now, but these are the fishes now we have at our pond. I will show you the organic cucumbers. They're small but very tasty and juicy. This is one there, and one more there. These are the bananas which will get ripe, and these are the very sweet ones. These are the desi ones, so this will not be big in size, small but very tasty. Very similar to the elaki banana which you get online. Look at this. These are the peaches. They are not ripe yet, but I just wanted to show you. It will take another, I think, another 15-20 days. They will be just ready. These are the cherry tomatoes. The tender lady fingers. See our brinjals. It's a big one. I'm not sure whether I will be able to pluck it. This is one. Look at our today's veg collection. Quick veg collection. These are the purple garlic, green chilies, green tomatoes. These are the ripe tomatoes. They are the organic desi cucumber, the aubergine, and the lovely mulberries, the ladyfingers, green papaya, amaranthus, and bananas.